Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we are going to be making hot air balloons in the sky with clouds and sun, and we'll have a total of 3 hot air balloons. So, we'll start by making a sleeping line, maximum 4 to 5 centimeters if you are drawing on an A4 size sheet. Next, we are going to make a big round structure on top of it. You can call it a dome type of structure. Next, you are going to make a straight line, then double it and do the same on the other side. We are going to join them by a curved line. We'll make another curved line at the bottom and then join them with a straight line. Next, we are going to make a pattern on the hot air balloon. We are going to make curved lines from top to bottom, as you can see here, like the pattern some balls have. Next, we are going to make curved lines in between. In the same manner I am making them to give it a 3D effect. You can also call it a spider web type of pattern. After we are done with the first hot air balloon, we'll make the second one. It will be comparatively smaller. For this, we'll first make a drop shape, like a water droplet. 2 straight lines and then double them. Join them with a curved line, another curved line, and then join the curved lines with a straight line. Next, we are going to make zigzag patterns on the hot air balloon. An eye, another eye, and a smile, a mouth. Now we are going to make another hot air balloon. This one is also going to be drop shaped. 2 straight lines and then double them, join them with a curved line, another curved line, and join the curved lines with a straight line. Now here we are making stars for the pattern. You can make the stars in whichever way you're comfortable. Maybe you can make a triangle first and then make an upside down triangle. It's totally your choice. Next, we are going to make clouds. We are going to make curved lines to make the clouds. Another cloud. Next, we are going to show our sun hiding behind the cloud. So a circle, and then it's the sun's rays. One long, one short, one long, one short. You can make them all equal. You can make them all random. You can make triangles for the rays. It's your choice. Now we are going to color it. But before coloring, we are going to outline using a permanent marker. You can also use a sketch pen if you don't have a black permanent marker. Next, we are going to color using oil pastels. You can use plastic crayons, you can use any other color medium you like, it's your choice. We'll start by coloring the big hot air balloon, and I have started off by yellow color. I'm going to give it a checker type of pattern look by using my yellow and scarlet color. When you are using oil pastels, you should color them in circular motion. You can use any other color combination you like. You can use pink and purple, light blue and dark blue, green and red, whatever you like. After we are done with the top part, we are going to color the bottom part using brown color. You can also do some shades of black in there. Next, we are going to color the clouds using blue color. I've colored the second hot air balloon with a pattern of pink and purple, and the third one with green stars and pink background. Next, we are going to color our sun with yellow color, and then color the rays by doing them in circular motion. You can use a darker orange and our drawing is done. Bye.